Say men can get pregnant today, and you'll get applause. Say it 10 years ago and they'd call you insane. What's normal today was unthinkable yesterday. Not because of natural progress, but because of one of the most underestimated tactics of mass manipulation. It's called the Overton window. You deliberately push extreme ideas into public debate. Not because you expect them to be accepted, but to make your real agenda seem reasonable by comparison. You want drag shows for kids to be normalized. You don't start with that. You start with, children should be allowed to undergo gender surgeries. That shocks everyone. They push back hard, and then you slide in your actual goal. Now it feels like a moderate compromise. This is how you shift the boundary of what's acceptable without winning a single argument. You twist their sense of normal so much that the absurd starts to look like common sense. It's how we went from treat everyone with respect to use 87 pronouns or you're a bigot. This works everywhere, in negotiations, in business, in daily interactions. Led with a claim no one could possibly accept. Push the boundary so far toward your side that when you retreat to what you really want, it feels like middle ground. Remember the last time you were in an argument, the other person said something that hurt, something that made your blood boil. All of your instincts told you to scream at them, to show them they can't treat you that way. And you did. You let your emotions take over, and with that, you violated the one rule to win any argument. The second you react, you lose. Not because they're right, but because they pulled you out of control. The one who gets emotional first always gives away power. Every loud word, every visible reaction, is a crack in your armor. Your reactions are a roadmap to your insecurities, and once someone knows where to poke, they'll never stop pressing that button. Staying calm doesn't mean you're weak. It means they never got close enough to touch anything real. You treat their words like a child's slap. Loud, maybe annoying, but harmless. You don't respond because you're untouchable, because you're not playing their game. The most powerful people in the room are the ones who look unfazed while everyone else loses their composure. That's real dominance. Not barking back, not proving anything, just knowing they can't touch you unless you let them.
Whenever someone needs something, a favor, a quick call, a short email, your time or your attention, you say yes. You help, you listen, you give, and before you even realize it, the day's gone. You're drained and yet nothing you actually needed to do got done. Why? Because you didn't protect your time, you didn't value it, and if you don't, no one else will. People will keep taking until nothing is left. Every time you say yes to shit that doesn't move you forward, you're saying no to your own future. You're telling the world that anyone at any time can reach into your life and pull you off course, and once they know you'll let them, they won't stop. You don't need to answer everything, you need to make space for yourself first, because no one else is going to do it for you. People respect what you protect, and if you protect your time, they'll adjust. If you don't, they'll keep stepping over you without even noticing they're doing it.